Hello and welcome to the Residual Royalty Academy. I hope you're doing really well. Apologies, it has been a week since I last uploaded, but I've been really busy running this Zoom masterclass with 10 or 12 or so people who joined that. So I've been giving them a lot of value over the last week in those 5 hours worth of Zoom calls. But in this video, we're going to be talking about Creative Market, which is kind of a competitor to Creative Fabrica, and it's a website I've only just found recently. Now, the only drawback I must state before the video starts is it doesn't seem to be a subscription service, so it's kind of a pay per product basis, rather than with Creative Fabrica where you're paying $10, $20 or $30 a month and you're getting access to absolutely everything. But this has some pretty interesting stuff on here, so let's have a look through it. So just in general, you got different photos, different graphics, all these different templates, and then importantly, you do have fonts, which can be amazing for KDP publishing. And you've also got Procreate Brushes for those of you who use that, and InDesign palettes if you use InDesign, or of course Photoshop or Illustrator over there. And you've also got some 3D stuff, which is pretty interesting. Maybe that's for like 3D printers. So just come and check out the website. I don't have any affiliate links or anything like that. I just wanted to make you aware of this, as it seems actually like a bigger website than Creative Fabrica. Although there's not so much stuff for KDP there yet, there's a lot of stuff on here. So if we go on this is Procreate Brushes. You can see there's 2,000 results. So if you are a person who uses Procreate to create coloring books or activity books or any other books, this would definitely be a great option. So you can see this is 25 different brushes, just to show you an example. And you would want the commercial license, and that's only $15, so not too bad. And that lets you use these brushes or whatever you happen to download in up to 5,000 different products. So you're pretty safe in the knowledge that that commercial license is good. And of course, the only thing it says you can't use it for is apps, web apps or games. But obviously it's covered for physical or digital products, so ebooks or paperback books. So that's absolutely fine. So you've seen those brushes now, and now if we go into KDP, you can see there's a few people who have taken advantage of this and opened up a store, which I will show you in a minute. But you can see this person here, Character, is selling 110 hand-drawn journals and planners for $80. And they've got a couple of sales on there, I believe. So they're doing maybe pretty well selling stuff on here. This could definitely be a good option to download and just make some really unique journals that a lot of other people probably aren't using. Like, they're much more unique than the tangent templates, interior templates. So let's have a look inside just to show you. So they're looking really nice inside. So getting some interiors from this place would definitely be an option if you don't have the time to make them yourself. So here we go, let's just keep scrolling through. Most of these things are actually from this one designer. So they've pretty much taken the whole KDP market before anybody else has even known about this website. So this is why I wanted to bring it to your attention. Obviously on here you can get graphics and stuff, as I said earlier. We've been through the license, but the last thing I wanted to say is that you can also open up shops. If you do have a bunch of interiors that you've been making or selling, then you can sell them here as well. So let's say you've been listing on Creative Fabrica, you can also list on here. You can see here no exclusivity, so you can sell anywhere according to this website, and you can set your own prices and you can start making money off this website. Now I'm not sure what the percentage commission is, but yeah, I just wanted to bring it to your attention as it looks like a decent option. So hopefully that's been an informative video. It gives you something else to consider for buying interiors, for getting brushes, or these kind of things. If you have found the video useful, please hit like. It helps out so much, and make sure to subscribe. We're trying to get to 4,000 subscribers as fast as possible, and we're trying to collect all that nice, lovely YouTube money, alright? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.
I'm giving up, they wanna bring me down, but it ain't adding up. I got some emoji in my blunt, tell me what you want. I ain't tryna front, yeah, I just came to stun. I got some emoji in my blunt.